certain watches I get very excited about. This is certainly one of them. I have the newest release from Zelos in today. It is from one of their more classic ranges. You will recognise it straight away. We have our warranty card there. It comes in a lovely 3-piece leather roll. I always give credit when the packaging is reusable, and Zelos have always done that really well. This is their latest packaging, the roll, really good quality. But the thing that we're looking at here is definitely the watch inside. And look at that little beauty. So there's a reason I'm actually really excited about this one. And it's because when I first started looking at watches properly, looking at micro brands, the first Zelos I ever bought was a Swordfish. And today I have in the latest edition of that line. This one is their Neon. Now, they have released multiple other colours in 2 different size options. This is the 40mm. You know I'm going to go for the 40mm over the 42. But they also have multiple different dials that are absolutely stunning. These are going to be available to look at on the website down below. But they will be released, I believe, on the 30th of this month. Now, if you want your favourite colourway out of all of them, you need to be quick because Zelos do not hang around for long. I remember the last time reviewing one of their divers, I swear it sold out within days because it was just that stunning. So we're going to start by getting all the wrap off this. They're more classic ranges, you will recognise it straight away. Now, the Swordfish is definitely their budget diver of the entire range, and I would argue that's possibly the best budget diver on the market. And that is because you can pick one of these up, one of these new variants up, from $299. That's right, dollars. And that was why I was so enamoured by them when I first started reviewing watches. Oh, that click's brilliant. I saw all the great reviews and I thought, I need to experience that for myself. And the Swordfish that I had in burgundy stuck with me for many, many years. In fact, the only reason I actually left the collection was that Zelos sent me in their Fresher, and I thought it'd be a nice upgrade. But this one again, so they have upgraded the clasp here. They actually use a push button adjustment on there, which is brilliant. You see that in like really expensive watches. Artilia Ven springs to mind. You don't often see it in $300 dive pieces, do you? I think that's really smart of them, to be honest. So let's talk about the watch itself. It is 40mm in diameter, and that is going to be perfect for me. You can also pick it up in a 42, and obviously the rest of the dimensions will change along with that. But for this one, it is 46mm lug to lug. That presence is really weird to me because it looks like a thick watch. It looks really, really thick. It actually comes in at 12mm thick. So it's, for a dive piece, that's really reasonable in my opinion. I love the bracelets. They're always really comfortable. The links seem to be like slightly shorter than average bracelets, and I think that really does help it. Let's make sure that everything's working here. We are running the ever reliable NH35 movement in this. Zelos do use the Miyota 9000 series in their more expensive pieces, and then other insane movements after that. But obviously they've used the NH35 here to keep the costs relatively low. That brushed bezel is lovely. I love that effect. Obviously I had to go for the really colourful painted dial, didn't I? It's just something I've never had on a watch before, so I thought now's the chance. But this is also a sandwich dial. Zelos really do achieve incredible lume signatures on their pieces, and if you're going to want to see that, you'll have to go over to my main channel and wait for the review to come out. It will be out this week before the release. Obviously they are using Super Luminova throughout the piece, but a really nice feature is that the splatters are also loomed, but not as heavily loomed, so they fade a little bit quicker, which means that the legibility isn't really that affected by them, but it is still a feature. Obviously, it's a 200-meter water resistance. That is pretty much all I would accept, or the lowest I would accept for something to be called a dive piece in the modern market. I love that almost cathedral-esque type of hand for the minute hand. There's really, really nice decoration to it. I'm going to enjoy wearing this one. The date window down at the 6 o'clock, that is preferred, means that we actually have a nice symmetrical dial. I say symmetrical. You can't really be symmetrical with this, but if you're looking for that out and out, there are other variants that you should go and look at. Personally, I genuinely think that these are the best budget divers available on the market right now. I can't think of anything that does it better for cheaper. Don't get me wrong, there's a lot of value out there and there's a lot of things that come close, but for me, it's always been Zelos. That's why I always jump at the chance to review their new models, because I know I'm going to love it, but it's always nice to see them in person. Now, this is what I'm going to be wearing to my pub quiz tonight, so let's get it sized up and let's get it on wrist and see how it looks. And here it is. I just knew that this was the right size for me, you know. I get that a lot of people like a bit of a bigger dive piece, but for me, 40mm in this type of style with the rugged effects, it's easily enough. And it means that it's easy to wear. It's not a task to wear in a lot of ways, especially with that shorter lug-to-lug distance. I'm a huge fan of these watches, and I think a lot of you guys out there will be also. I mean, they sell out all the time, so I can't imagine why you wouldn't be, especially the Swordfish range, because they are the cheapest ones that you can get your hands on. They seem to go the quickest, so make sure you're signed up to Zelos's emails and their notifications, because you're not going to want to miss this one. And I've seen the other dial variants. You're not going to want to miss them either. They look absolutely incredible. Go check them out down below.